Hello, welcome to day 3. I feel like we got up pretty early though.
Fairly early, I think we're like 8:15.
Yeah, but we were ready by like 9:30, had breakfast, everything. So that's pretty
Not
good.
bad.
That's like an hour and 15 minutes. That's like a new world record for me.
Nice.
But yeah, and we're off to, where are we going?
I've absolutely no idea how to pronounce it. Something, ECH something.
And then we're going somewhere else that has like a cute walk.
Yeah.
So we're heading there. We're on the train now, and we're going to the furthest away place, and then coming back to the other. So does this train go?
They're really close to each other.
Oh, okay. Does this train go through the other place?
I don't think so. I think we have to get a bus to the other place.
That's fine. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back later and explore the other side of the city properly, aren't we? And do like the viewpoints and stuff. So yeah, come with us. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yours won.
Nathan is yours.
Mine is mine. You got lost into the abyss.
Really lost.
We have just got to the top of the first part of the gorge, so the gorge is behind me. We're very warm. I took off my cardigan because I was sweating. But yeah, it's very cool. Katie's over there having a little look around. Yeah. So we've walked up the stairs here. And then we're going to walk down there and go up here as well, but the view's incredible, and there's like a little bridge. Yeah, it's so cool. We're at the top. That's Germany. If we haven't told you already. I've probably said so many times. We're on this little bench. Let me turn it around. On this little bench admiring the view. We said it's
lovely.
Literally, it's the most touristy place we've been.
Yeah. And it's not even busy.
No, literally. But also like, what's the trail called? The
Mollethal Trail.
Mollethal Trail. So if you're into like walking holidays, definitely, like we were saying, come and stay on the trail, because there's so many things to do on the trail.
Because we're going to a different part of the trail later today.
Yes.
Which has a river and a waterfall.
Oh, what
Hopefully,
a
if we
treat.
find it.
Well, you'll find it.
Yeah.
You're the pro.
Hopefully.
The walking trail pro.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going to chill and carry on our little walk. So we are out of the walking part of our day, aren't we? We're off now.
Yeah, for now.
And we just got some snacks. I got these, and these remind me of the Star. I don't know if I made. I don't think I made these up. I swear I've looked it up before. They were called like Starburst Oozy Goozes or something like that, and they were like Starburst with like a bit in the middle, and they were really cool. And these have like stuff in, so I'm gonna try one. But they're a bit softer than I think the Starburst used to be.
Good.
I think they're like exactly the same as that, but they're like really fruity.
So they like the Starburst ones or different?
Different.
Okay.
They're really good. You got some little cornflake chocolate things.
Cornflake cakes. I just kind of fancy them.
They are giving me similar vibes. They're not sour though, but they're really good. We've come to the little park. We got our snacks. We have these little bunnies. Let me like.
They're very cute.
Let me get one out. Aren't they adorable? Like little bunny brioche. That'll be mine that I've touched. And then we've got some other snacks, haven't we?
Yeah,
We've got some pineapple. We love pineapple.
I feel like I'm most excited to try these.
Yeah, kettle, honey and black pepper, veg chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna tuck in.
Have a little picnic at the
Yeah.
You can see the chapel.
Oh yeah. We just stumbled across this like little Roman villa. So cool. Literally, we went to go to the play park and found this. Play park is just there for reference. But this is so cool. I'm assuming this is what it would have looked like.
Yeah.
Your standard Roman villa. They are some Doric columns, sorry. Doric columns. I can't see any mosaics or anything though. If there was, I'd be interested to go down. Aww. Very cool. Off I go. I hear you so well.
I know, the echo. It's funny because I can look at you. Look up.
Oh, hello.
Did you do that?
No, but did you see me fall on my ass?
So I think we're like here.
Cool.
We're gonna walk along this edge of the river, and then there's a bus stop at the other end that we can get, so we don't have to like just walk back on the same bit.
Cool.
Yeah.
So well planned.
Thank you.
I love it. Oh, we were just here.
And yeah, and there.
Oh, and there.
Nice.
Oh, and is that where we're going?
Nice, maybe. No spoilers.
No spoilers. So cute. Oh, and construction. Because apparently
Lovely.
this country has so much construction. And there's a play park over there. Are we investigating the play park?
We can always nip in.
Nip in?
We just nip in.
We have found the waterfall. If you can't hear it, I don't know if we're going to hear us. We walked just like up there, and then we came down. Great planning by you. Like, all credit to Katie, all credit. But it's so beautiful. And we're saying this is the busiest we have seen anything this holiday. So this is the view. It's stunning. We're saying again on our fantasy film quest this holiday. This looks very like Lord of the Rings. It's so wholesome. But yeah, as you see, it's quite busy. And we're still on a rock currently. But yeah. Yeah. I will film you just in case you epic fail. Oh, go on. Go on. Last time we vlogged, we were happy at the waterfall. And then we, so we were waiting for our bus. We were getting to work. Yeah. Bus was not scheduled for 20 minutes. Bus showed up. I was like, oh, that's the number of our bus. And then you already saw the back of the bus. I was like, why is it like 40 minutes late or 20 minutes early? So we're like, right, we'll wait and see. Yeah, then I do the same thing. I go, Joggle Master, isn't that where we're supposed to go? And watch it drive past on the other side of the road.
So the whole time on the other side of the road, basically.
Vibes. And I probably could have noticed earlier. So sorry about that.
And then they only come every hour. So
yeah. So basically, if you're going to the little waterfall, when you come out of the waterfall bit, across the road, where the car park is, across the road, the bus stop's on that side to go back to that side. Which is weird because Joggle Master on the map is the other way, which is why we're still on that side.
It's like the wrong way.
And then we've now, so we come back to Echternach, where we were this morning, and now we're getting a bus an hour for an hour, and then we're going to change and get a train to where we are. The plan is we're going to go in, have a little change of room, freshen up, and get dinner. So yeah, we'll catch you probably when we're back, because we'll be vlogging on the bus.
Unless there's a nice.
To be fair, we've got the front seats, the VIP seats. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, set.
So we've come to this place. So it's basically a Mexican place, and I got a jungle spritz, and I've ordered a burrito and some chips because I really want some chips. And we're like bringing out the money because we haven't spent much.
Yeah, we're getting our drinks.
Cute. Yeah. And then we just got a veggie burger.
Yeah, it looks good.
It has guac in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So our food's arrived, burrito. I don't know what this is. Is this like quinoa? I don't think I've ever had that.
I think it's quinoa.
And then Katie's veggie burger looks incredible. The bun looks, we're saying the bun looks really good. And the curly fries, of course. But yeah, this looks so good, drenched in sauce. I don't know, what is that? Like, what is quinoa?
It's just like a grain, like couscous.
Okay.
But it'll have like sauce in it.
Okay. We have come back to judge us to McDonald's. I've got double caramel sauce. She looks so caramelly. And you just got normal. We're so excited. Honestly, so recommend these. Straight in and straight trying the phase 2 of the... Shall I try and break one and see if it...
Yeah, I feel like we're going to know straight away what it is.
I'll try one of these, see if it breaks. Oh,
they must take days. Try one of
one of these.
Yeah.
little swirl.
Oh!
Is that my tooth? Yeah.
Imagine if that was your tooth fabric. Okay, I'll try.
Okay. These ones kind of work, like the swirly ones.
Let me see if I can snap it. Oh, it still does. Oh no, it did just snap off.
They defrost so quickly. Okay.
I think one more day and it'd fully be there. Like the first bit snapped off and then that didn't. Yeah.
It's just more sour.
They are still really nice.
Okay, we're going to take into our second dessert of the evening.
They do taste more sour.
Bye bye, guys.
Good night.
From day 3. Today was actually such a fun day.
Yeah, it was really, really good.
I loved
feel
today.
like potentially my favourite day.
Same,
Okay.
potentially too.
But the castle was really good.
The castle was really good too, so I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today. We've got one more day. We've still got quite a lot of the day tomorrow as well, haven't we?
Yeah,
Till like
we're
6.
basically here the whole day.
Yeah. I will double check our flight time, to be fair.
That's a good idea.
But I think it was that time.
I think it's at 9.
Yeah, I think it's at 9. But yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!